and welcome to Vlogmas day 2. It is currently 10 a.m. Just got my day started, got showered and everything. I'm gonna get some breakfast and then I'm going to work on crocheting some more orders because I have to finish those up. So let's go. Someone just bought my giant octopus on Etsy, so now I have to find a ginormous box to ship that in. But yeah, it's about noon now. I made one chicken body. I still have to stuff it and do the details, but I'm gonna make some lunch and put dinner in the crock pot really fast. Making some chili for tonight because it's really cold outside, so that just sounds yummy, and we'll have food for like a few days. It was snowing a little bit earlier, but I think it's tapered off, so we'll see. I'm sorry if it's really loud. The dishwasher's going and the oven's sizzling, so my bad. Guys, so we put up the tree and I just had dinner. We had our chili. It is about 6 o'clock now, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue making my chickens because I haven't crocheted like at all today. I made like 2 chicken bodies. So I'm gonna work on that. currently watching The Goonies, so I'm gonna chill on the couch and do some crocheting. Okay guys, I just finished making all the chickens for orders. I have 5 of them over here. I'm currently watching Gremlins because it is a Christmas movie. It is. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can package any orders. I know some of them have some other stuff besides chickens, but I think I have at least 2 orders that are just chickens, so I'm gonna try to package those up and ship them out. So this is the only one I can order I can ship right now. Someone ordered 1 chicken. The other orders have some other items. Like the other order has a white chicken, a brown chicken, but it also has a booty turtle and a mushroom pop keychain, so I have to make those. And then another order I have has I have 2 orders that have 2 brown chickens, but they also have a speckled chicken, so I'm waiting for my yarn to come in the mail so I can finish speckled chickens because I don't have any more of this yarn, so it should be coming in the mail soon, hopefully. So then I can finish those orders that have the chickens. I do have another order that just has a green booty turtle, so I can definitely make the booty turtle soon and the mushroom pop keychain, and then I can finish 2 more orders. But we'll package up this one right now since this one is finished, so let's do that. I'm excited to bust out my cute Christmas packaging. These are so adorable. My printer is so loud printing out the shipping label, but it's so cute. I love the fun Christmas packaging. Alright, that order is all ready to go. It just needs to be dropped off at the post office at some point. But now I'm going to actually go ahead and edit Vlogmas Day 1's video because I have yet to do that and it's currently 8 p.m. So I'm gonna edit that video really quick so I can get that uploaded. Yeah, then I'm probably gonna do a little bit more crocheting, so I'm not gonna end the vlog just yet. But I do want to crochet the booty turtles and the mushroom pop just so I can finish off a few more of these orders, and then I just have to wait for the black and white speckle yarn to come in, and then I can close out 2 more orders. We currently have 5 right now, so yeah. Someone did buy my giant octopus, and Ryan stopped by earlier to pick it up, so Stephanie's gonna ship that out because I didn't have a box, so she's gonna go to the post office and get a bigger box, so she's taking care of that. But I'm so happy someone bought the octopus. Oh my gosh, it's going to a home. Now I gotta make another one because those are cool. I want to make a purple one or something, but I have to get some yarn for that. Alright, I just finished editing the Day 1 Vlogmas vlog. It is 8:45 p.m. I think I'm going to gather my yarn and work on the booty turtles and try to finish up some more of these orders. I want to finish watching Gremlins too because I paused it, so we're gonna finish watching Gremlins and crochet some more orders tonight. Alright guys, so I crocheted a little bit of the booty turtle, didn't finish it. It is now 10:30, almost 11, so I'm gonna wrap this vlog up here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and also subscribe so you can be notified when I upload, because I'll be uploading every single day this month until Christmas. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye.